channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you all how to make a delicious curried soya with pigeon peas. So if you guys would like to see how to make this, keep watching. So to start this recipe, I'm adding my soya chunks to a big bowl. I like using the chunky soya chunks for this. You can use whichever you like. Next, I'm going to go in with some hot water and we're going to allow the soya chunks to soak until it doubles in size. After which, we'll wash it out really well with either lime juice or whatever you're accustomed washing it with, and then we'll move ahead with this recipe. This takes a few hours. So to start this, I have curry and I'm using the amazing Rajapuri curry. I have methi seeds, cumin seeds, some roasted geera and aromatics. Okay, so I have my fireside going. I'm going to go on with my pot. You guys know this pot is from Imisa and it's available on Amazon and in Walmart. Okay guys, so we're gonna start with some oil, and to the oil I'm going to go in with some geera and some methi seeds, and we're going to allow these to toast until they're dark brown in color. Okay guys, once your seeds are brown, go in with a few curry leaves and be careful because it does splatter. And now we're going to go in with some chopped onions and some chopped pimento peppers, and allow that to saute until it's nice and tender and light brown. Okay guys, when the onions are nice and brown, go in with your minced or chopped garlic, and you're going to allow the garlic now to get brown. When the garlic starts to brown, go in with some chopped celery and chive. Give that a mix and just let that cook in there for about 2 minutes. Okay guys, now I'm gonna add in my curry, this delicious Rajapuri curry. If you guys have not gotten your hands on this, it's available in Trinidad in your local supermarket, and it'll be coming soon to Amazon. So we're just gonna let this toast in here for a couple of seconds, like about 20-30 seconds. You don't need to fry the curry too long. And now I'm going to go in with some water to cook this curry out. And allow this to cook here until it starts to thicken into a paste and the oils start separating from that curry. Okay, now that the oils have started to separate from the curry, I'm going to go in with some green seasoning and mix that in. Just squeezing out some more of that water that I had it soaking in. After you soak it, you want to wash it and leave it to continue to soak. So you'll see that it will absorb the water when you soak it. It will double in size after that. You'll go ahead and give it a good wash. If you want to wash it with lime or vinegar, whatever you're accustomed to. And now just give this a good mix in here to coat those pieces with that delicious curry. Now I'm going to season with salt to taste, and I'm going in with a little bit. We can always adjust it afterwards. So what we're going to do is allow this to bunge down in here. It's going to create more flavor by doing this. And bunje means allowing all of the natural juices that's going to come out to dry down before we add any additional water for it to cook. So we're gonna allow that to happen and then we'll move on. Can you guys hear that sizzle? It's locking in all of that flavor into the soya chunks. Okay guys, it's been bunjing down for about 5 minutes now. Now it's time to add in water to help it cook. Now if you guys wanted to add potato to this, of course you can, but I'm adding pigeon peas today, and we'll add the pigeon peas when this starts to reduce. The pigeon peas has been pre-boiled, so I don't want to add it in too soon because it could melt away or we could lose it while it's cooking because it's already nice and soft and tender. So we're going to bring this up to a boil and allow it to simmer until the soya chunks are cooked and the liquid has been reduced by a half, and you'd want to do this on a medium heat. So guys, it has come up to a simmer. We're going to allow it to simmer until it reduces, the liquid in there reduces by half, and then we'll add in the peas. So guys, look at the consistency. The liquid has reduced by a half and it has a nice thick consistency. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add some geera powder to finish. Just mix that in. I love adding a little bit of geera to the end, and I'm also going to go in with some of the peas or the cooked pigeon peas. Mix that in. This just needs about 5 more minutes and then this will be ready. You'd want to taste and adjust your salt at this time, but don't overcook the peas, because if you overcook the peas you will not see the peas. It will disintegrate into the pot. So let that go for 5 minutes and then this will be ready. Has enough sauce so you can eat it with your dal and rice or your roti. Just look at that. Okay guys, this is finished. The sauce is nice and thick. It has enough salt. So all I have to do now is go ahead and plate and enjoy. So I'm gonna dish this out and I'll show you guys what it looks like. So guys, can you see how amazing this looks? It smells amazing, it tastes really amazing, and I have to tell you that you all are going to love this recipe. The curry adds that special warmth and richness, and it adds a different depth of flavor that I've never had in another curry before. So I hope you all enjoyed today's recipe. Remember, you can find this in your local supermarkets in Trinidad, and it will be coming to Amazon very soon. Thank you for watching, and please remember to stay safe. Bye everyone.